Welcome guys, Celtic Lad here on our Celtic Lab. Today I'm going to be installing private internet access on a Linux machine. So go to this link, I'll leave it in the description. Click the download button and let the package download. So after it's downloaded, we'll check the file location. And it's going to be in the downloads folder, I'm reckoning. Yep, downloads folder. Next thing we want to do is, if you want an older version of private internet access, you can find it on a page below the actual download link, or you can download the latest version. Now we want to open a terminal, and we'll press ls. To list the file, make sure it's there in the downloads location. I'm sure you know how to change it into a directory in Linux. And then we'll run this command and private internet access will begin to install, and it should just finish off and boot up automatically. Couple of settings and it should be here. There we go. You would need to sign in with your details. Going to connect to UK. Connected. Just want to get into some settings. Launch on startup. Connect on launch. Put split tunneling on. Make sure that you use VPN. All other apps, packets and name servers. See protocol, VPN, WireGuard, VPN kill switch. Good thing to have on. You can have the advanced one on if you feel like it. I'm going to change mine to WireGuard because I think PIA are supporting WireGuard at the moment. Network, you can have PIAs, DNS, other ones, and you can use a custom. I usually use a custom one. But you'll be alright with PIAs, DNS. And that's it basically, so reconnect. Thanks for watching, just a quick video today. Please consider subscribing to my channel, I appreciate that very much. And catch you in the next one.